Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Wiggle Worm bundle, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and we are using Wiggle Worm, and we're going to be using this cute little Wiggle Worm, and I love you, Wiggle Worm. I have a piece of Granny Apple Green, and I'm going to come in with my Poppy Parade. And then I have our little Wiggle Worm mounted on clear block B. And we're going to stamp this little guy 3 times. Okay. And then I also have another piece of Granny Apple Green, and this is cut at 2.5 by 4. And I'm going to get our sentiment, and that's also mounted on clear block B. And I'm just going to put it right here in the bottom right hand corner. Alright, now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. Now we're going to have to run this through 3 times. And then I also have a piece of Poppy Parade and the second to the smallest square from the Layering Squares dies. So we'll run that through quickly. And we want 3 squares as well. So take these out. And this Wiggle Worm's so cute. Alright, and that is all that we need that for. Go ahead and get our worms out. And we can put this card together. Our card base is also Granny Apple Green and is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4.25. And then I have a piece of the gingham from the Brights collection. And I'm going to come in with my Poppy Parade textured ribbon. And I'm just going to cut 2 pieces. Okay, and I want them kind of close together, so just like that. I'm going to get some regular tape. Okay, and I want it separate a little bit. Let me go ahead and tighten this one up a little. so just like that, I'm going to come in with my SNAIL adhesive. And then I want this on the left side. So just like that, then I'm going to come in with my squares and I think I'm just going to put them down with some regular SNAIL. Okay, so now when we're placing them down, we want them a little bit higher, and I'm not going to press them down yet because I want to make sure I have them in the exact right place. So I found it was easiest to put the two on the sides, and then I can center the one in the middle. All right, well that looks good. Now I'm going to pop up our little wiggle worms. And on the backs of these, I was practicing making the wiggle worms. So there's a good thing there's two sides to every paper, right? All right, so we're going to pull the backs off of our dimensionals. And we're just going to put our little worms in the center of these squares. So just like that, then I'm going to come in with some more Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so just like that, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!